think you're gonna have to ask. You're gonna have to ask the car speedrunning server on this one, Chief.
Dude, I don't think anyone knows anything about fucking tractor tipping in particular. Everyone just knows about basic racing and like base game.
There's got to be one guy, dude.
I'm not one guy.
Well, someone else has to be one guy.
Well, no. It's impossible. It's like 118 fucking hours in this game. Plus my all the time I play it on the Wii, which is probably like fucking tripled.
Yo, me too, Lightning. Go off, Queen.
He's gonna say it. Oh, no, I made him scream instead. Oh, shit, he still said it.
Oh, bitch.
Okay.
How does he do it?
I think it can only like anger him once because it keeps him in place, but it makes him faster. And if I keep angering him, he just waits.
Man. Oh, what the fuck happened? Ah, shut. Fucking game. Cringe.
I did it.
I beat the time somehow. Look at that.
How? That's a 25. That's a 24. Bro. How we do it? How we do it?
I'm crazy.
That's a 24. You're fucking insane, dude.
I'm so crazy.
How does he do it?